Hi, I'm Peter. I'm the CEO and founder of Mega. I just want to take a minute here just to show you our new platform. So the first thing that you're looking at here is the dashboard. And here an operation manager can easily select what kind of metrics they want to look at. They can drag it around, they can insert new kind of charts, etc. With all the data we have. To the left, we have everything. Let me just show you how to create a campaign. The first thing that you're making sure that we have the customer. In this case, I will make a campaign for Shell Energy. And so let me go into campaign here. I will create a new one. You can choose between inbound and outbound. I will go with an outbound for Shell Energy. Then I have to choose what kind of agent I want to deploy in this campaign. In this case, it's an outbound ID&V and transfer, so a simple call. I will press next here. Now we have to choose what kind of personality do we want in this call. So we can choose between different languages. We can choose between speed and positivity. I normally use an agent called Anna, English speaking, high speed, high positivity. I like that. Here we have all the dialer settings. The first thing we need to make sure is we have, the opening hours correct, because it's a bit late. I will just add an extra hour here. We have the dialer settings over here. In this case, I will forward a call, so I will just pick myself here. And this is kind of the transfer message that we're going to use. Hello, this is a warm transfer from Mega. The reference number is, and then with the reference number, and whether the person has been verified or not. If it was an agent where we're going to use an SMS, I could select the template here with a payment link or whatever you have put into the SMS. Then I just have to give it a name. So let me just write test on my initials. I have to look through all the settings we have just chosen just to make sure everything is fine. We will launch this one. Okay, so basically all our clients will not upload customers directly into our platform. Everything will run through APIs. But let me just show you how it works so we can actually have a call right now. So I will just add a call here. So I will put it into the campaign we just created. So test and my initials. We will go forward and choose some demo data I have just prepared. So we have it here. Let me show you how the data look like. So to the left, we have the CSV columns, and to the right, we have the database fields. Everything here is mapped. So I actually basically just have to press upload. And now it will be uploaded. Okay. And then I can go back to the campaign. What you actually see here is my phone is calling. So let's hear the call. Hello.
Hello, this is Anna from United Debt Collection calling on behalf of Shell Energy. I will just confirm your details, then connect you with one of our agents. Is this Michael?
Yes, this is Michael.
Great. Before we start our conversation, I just want to let you know that I'm an AI voice agent and that this call will be recorded for quality and training purposes. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you for agreeing. First, we need to verify your identity. Please tell me your full name.
My name is Michael Jordan.
Thank you for confirming your name. Please tell me your street name.
It's High Street.
What is your house number?
50.
One moment, please. I'm sorry, but can you please say your house number again? One digit at a time.
I'm sorry, it was 58.
And what is your postcode?
B17 8DB.
Thank you for confirming your address. Please hold while I transfer you to a human representative.
And now the call is being transferred to myself here. Hello.
Hello, this is a warm transfer from MEGA. The reference number is 423625. The user has been verified.
And this is how it works. And I can then go down here and see all the call details, etc. So amazing. So if we just look at this call, I can see everything here. I can see the customer. I can listen to the recorded calls. I can download it. I can view the conversation here. And I can even, if I want to, go into the log and make sure that everything actually was as intended. So this is actually basically how our system works. And then we have all the other stuff, the really interesting stuff about contact strategy, our optimization engine that is the same as we use in algorithmic trading, but now it's implemented into the platform. So we are calling at the right time and making sure that we're actually calling with the right personality, etc. So basically, this is how the platform works. Thank you so much for listening.